Hi, I'm Alex from Stoke Audi, and today I'll be walking around this Audi approved used vehicle. Here we have the Audi A1 Sportback Black Edition 25 TFSI, powered by a 1 litre turbo petrol engine with an output of 95 PS and mated to the seamless tronic automatic gearbox. It can return up to 45 miles per gallon and is finished in the stunning Misano Red pearlescent paint. To the rear, we've got the rear parking sensors. As part of the Black Edition, there are black trims throughout the car, such as this contrast black roof. Coming down the side of the vehicle, we've got rear privacy glass for added protection from sun glare. We've got the power folding contrasting door mirrors, which fold when locking and unlocking the car. The sporty 18-inch 7-spoke rotor-style design alloys complement the black styling cues throughout. The boot can be unlocked using a button on the key. You're greeted with ample boot space to load items such as weekend shopping or carry-on luggage, and the boot floor can be lowered to increase the space available. Rear passengers are greeted by these leatherette cloth material seats with the added benefit of ISOFIX anchor points and ample leg room for rear passengers. Coming to the front of the cabin, the driver can get to grips with the sporty S-embossed flat-bottom multifunction steering wheel, which controls the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the dash is a touchscreen MMI system. The driver and front passenger can get comfortable in these S-embossed leatherette cloth material seats with plenty of manual adjustment to find that ideal position. Common driver functionality is at the driver's fingertips to reduce distractions from the road ahead. The cruise control works in harmony with the automatic gearbox to make for a more relaxing journey. This A1 comes equipped with lane departure warning to make those commutes that little bit more safe. The Audi virtual cockpit displays important functions such as driver assist, DAB FM radio change your station on the go, and mobile connectivity. The intuitive and easy to use touchscreen infotainment system allows you to access items such as your DAB FM radio. You can connect your smartphone device using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to use compatible apps. And you can adjust the settings of your car safety features such as lane departure warning and Audi presence, and your rear parking aid. Just below are the controls for the climate control, where you can easily adjust the temperature, the fan intensity and fan direction using these 3 dials. And just below we've got a 12-volt socket and 2 USB ports to keep your smartphone device charged on the go. And here we have the S-tronic automatic gear selector for a smooth journey. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. If you'd like to know more information or to arrange a test drive, feel free to call us on 01782 488 205 or inquire online today.